All right, so Complexcon was a wrap. If you guys missed my vlog, day 1 and day 2, some really epic things ended up happening on both days. And so I advise you guys to go check out those videos. I'll link them in the description. Day 1, somebody passed up on 2 free $10,000 sneakers for a $350 pair of sneakers. It was really crazy to witness, but I captured the whole thing. And then also on day 2, I actually ended up scoring a pair of off-white Jordan 1s in the off-white colorway, which was a Europe exclusive, which was just amazing and super crazy. But I wanted to show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got in my haul here, and then a couple of the items that I came home to. Let's go ahead and get in the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the links in the description at this time. Right now, Nike has an extra 20% off sale, and Adidas also has a stacked sale, so save 20 off of 100 and even up to $100 off of $300 spent on their website. And I'll put both of those codes in the description for you guys. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys my Complexcon haul. There's just a bunch of randomness in this bag. Figured I'd show you guys that, and then a couple other pickups on the side over here. So first things first is this just crazy looking bag. So this was actually a free bag if you spent only $500. So spend $500, you get the Murakami flower bag. It is like a crazy big bag. My Trader Joe trips will literally never be the same because of this bag. But it honestly was kind of dope because it was free, and I was already at like $470 when the lady mentioned that it was free. And honestly, I had so many people come up to me on day 2 asking me where I got this bag or how I got it. And so I just kept telling them, gift shop, $500. But this is the bag, and it is a Herschel bag, as you can see down here. It actually has tags on it as well, so it's an oversized tote. Anyway, inside the bag, we got a couple goodies. First things first, I ended up getting a candle. So I ended up getting the Murakami flower candle here. So Lena actually wanted this one. If you guys aren't familiar with her, she's been on my channel and I've talked about her quite a bit. But I actually went to Complexcon with her last year, so I did a vlog with her, and she looked out for me when she had people in line for the Murakami merch last year. And so this year I told her, I'm like, just let me know whatever you want. And this is like the only thing that she wanted was this crazy candle. So I ended up getting one for her, and I ended up getting another one just for myself for fun. It looks like this one got dinged a little bit on the corner, but I ended up just getting another one for fun as well for myself. They're super crazy heavy. I think these candles are like $50, which is insane, but I figured it'd be kind of just fun to have. So Murakami candle times 2, and then I ended up getting a couple different t-shirts as well. So here's a Complexcon t-shirt, as you could see, and I'm gonna open this one up. Show you guys what it is. So I actually ended up buying this one from the app. So they had a Frenzy app that you could actually go on and order from, and so I went and ordered this one from the Frenzy app instead of waiting in line. And then I also went in line to get my order. So just a cool looking skull and flower shirt, and I don't know, I just liked it. Look rad to me. And on the back it actually says Flaming Skulls and Flowers. So kind of rad. And it says, well, I wonder if this is actually limited. It says over 300, so I wonder if there's only 300 of them. I have no idea, but this one was dope, and I was like, it was $50, but I bought a couple of the shirts last year, so I wanted to go ahead and buy a couple more this year. And honestly, last year I would have bought more. I didn't buy enough, I don't think, so this year I wanted to get a couple extra Murakami t-shirts. So let's see, I got a couple more in here. I actually got quite a few this year. So I did get a medium one with the flower, and I actually got this one for the wife. So it says over 300 as well. I don't know if this is going to fit, though. This is a youth medium, so actually we'll take it out and look. It might be too small, honestly, because it's like a youth size, so this might actually have to go to Harrison. Now this will fit her, I think. This will fit just fine. So there's the flower right here, and that's all it is just a flower logo tee. So I think this will work perfect. They were telling me it was going to be too small, but it looks like it actually looks good. So that was the other one. I also ended up getting the Complexcon t-shirt, and it's just literally a logo that says Complexcon on it. That's pretty much it. In black. And then I ended up getting also a flower shirt for me. As you could see, same one as the white one, but I ended up getting the black one on here. And actually there is a flower on the back of this one. I don't think there was... Yeah, so there's a difference. There's a huge flower on the back of this one. That's rad, because there's not on the youth one. But that's what I get for like an extra $20, because I think this one was 50, and then the one with the medium is only 30. And I actually ended up getting an extra one of these for Lena, just in case she wanted one. So I got a flower tee for her and one for the wife, both. Then let's see, what else did I get? Oh yeah, I actually got one more t-shirt. I ended up getting the Long Beach t-shirt also. So I got quite a few of these for myself, but honestly, again, last year I just wish I bought more of the t-shirts, and I only bought a couple, and they were all sold out by the time I tried to get them. So luckily I came through and got some on this year. But Long Beach, and then the flaming skulls, and then the flowers on this one, and just Complexcon on the back. But fun nonetheless. I really like this one too, just because obviously it says Long Beach, and obviously if you didn't know, that's where Complexcon was held. So that is the other t-shirt. So I got 4 t-shirts for myself. That's $200 in t-shirts just for me. Yikes, I didn't realize I kind of did that. But then I ended up getting another t-shirt from this other brand that we saw there, just a random booth, and it had such a crazy looking art like to it that I just wanted to go ahead and buy one. I actually looked at them the first day, and then I came back the second day and swooped it up. So this is it. You can see it looks like kind of a Bert and Ernie and Cookie Monster theme, but it has just their really interesting art to it. And they actually had a Bart Simpson on a skateboard one that looked really similar to this, and they didn't have it in a t-shirt, just a print. If they did though, I would have bought it like instantly, but they didn't have it. It says Complexcon on it, and it's from a company called A Piece of Cake, as you can see. So that is it. It says Complexcon also on the back, and that is this just random t-shirt from a random company, A Piece of Cake. Moving on. Oh yeah, so this is a rad shirt too. I ended up buying this from a random company, but this is interesting because the tags say Ubique on it. But I don't think this is the same Ubique that we know of. It says Urban Basics of International Quality. I have no idea. So this I ended up actually getting from Atmos. So Atmos was selling t-shirts like this that had this crazy like Japanese print on the front, and I thought it looked awesome, but I was trying to find some t-shirts of it, but the t-shirts were sold out. So I ended up getting this one with the fish and the turtle on it for the long sleeve t-shirt. So it's crazy. It says Ubique. I didn't realize that it said Ubique. Nothing on the back, but again, kind of a cool looking Japanese like tattoo style print on the front, and it looked cool enough for me where I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to be buying one of those. So that is what I did. I ended up buying another one of those t-shirts. I honestly don't know the price of either of these ones. I think they were $40 to $70. And then also, oh yeah, so this was the Atmos bag that it came with, and it came with an Atmos sticker also, as you could see here. Last year when I bought from Atmos though, I got a canvas bag, which was kind of cool. This year, no canvas bag, but it's all good. Also, if you guys saw in the video, the last thing I ended up getting was this Diamond Supply jacket that actually had some patches sewn in on them, but also they sewed in my name. Like, how cool is that? It says Hess Kicks on the jacket. So they sewed my name on here. They sewed a patch in placement locations where I wanted it. I told them up here would have been cool, and then also down, just randomly down here on the bottom of the jacket. And this was a collaboration with Nicky Diamonds, and then the artist that makes the patches, and then also Tequila 1800, which it says 1800 embroidered down here, and then on the back it says Tequila Over Tears. And the best part about it, it was free. Like, I got to interview Nicky Diamonds, and then also they let me design my own jacket for free, which I thought just was a cool gesture. So the last thing in the bag though was this. This shows the actual embroidered stuff that they wanted to have, the size of the jacket, and then they also came through with a couple just random pins. So this is the one from the Adam Lucas, is the one that designed the patches, so that's cool that they did that. And then just some random pins, pin trail, and then I don't know why this says kale, but kale and then happy faces on it. So 3 pins. I'm just going to put them on the jacket, but I guess I can start like collecting pins or something and putting them on here. I'm not really sure what to do with these, but yeah, kind of cool that they included the pins. A lot of people were actually asking me how I actually got this and where they could design their own, and I just lucked out. Shout out to Complex for setting that up, because since my YouTube channel is partnered with Complex, they actually let me into Complexcon with a media pass, and then set up the interview with Nicky Diamonds, and then also got the jacket. So that was the last thing that I ended up getting from Complexcon. The biggest thing that I didn't show you guys that I did get though from Complexcon is the Off-White Air Jordan 1s. in the European colorway. And I don't have them here yet because they have shipped actually, but they haven't arrived yet. I'll do an unboxing of those when I get them. But I ended up getting them for retail, which was crazy. But it was definitely like the come up of the weekend for me since I struck out on every single pair of sneakers that ended up dropping. A couple other things I just wanted to show you guys that I got here. I got the Blazers Bape shirt. So it's a Mitchell & Ness Bape collaboration, and it says Blazers on it, and there's like the ape on the side. This is a size small, so I was thinking maybe this one would work for the wife if she wanted it. But this is kind of an expensive shirt, honestly, so I might try to sell it because it was $138 when it came down to it. And I don't know if she's going to actually want that expensive of a shirt. So what would a sneaker channel be without a pair of sneakers in the video? So let's go ahead and show you a pickup that I ended up getting. So I ended up getting this from Nike through the sneakers app. And oh, awesome box, Nike. Like, so this is a thing that did not sell out at all. I tweeted out kind of as a joke, if I got 230 retweets, I would actually buy these shoes and dip dye them. And you guys hit me with over 300 and something retweets. So I stuck to my word, bought the shoes that night, and here we go. We have the Air Jordan 11s in the platinum tint colorway. One of the most hated Air Jordan 11s of all time, I would have to say. But I was like, you know what? Maybe we can redeem this shoe because since it doesn't have patent leather on here, and actually this is like a suede section across right here, I was like, you know what? I could dip dye this shoe. Like I could literally dip dye the entire thing and maybe it will turn out kind of cool. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm not sure 100% of the color. A lot of people tweeted me different colors that they wanted me to do. It would be honestly pretty rad if you could do like a marble dye on this one, but I don't know how it will turn out. And I'm not 100% sure on what I want to do. So I am going to figure it out really, really soon and then make a video on it in the next couple weeks. But dip dye these in a specific color. In fact, if you guys want to go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, what color should I dip dye these? And I'm not talking about hydro dip. I'm talking about dip dyeing like I did my Yeezy 350s to the chocolate brown. I could dip dye these all orange, all red, burgundy. Black would be weird, but I could do that. I just want to do like a dip dye of one color. I'm leaning towards orange or maybe like a marble dye like I did my Alpha Bounce. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think I should do with these. This is just one of those hated shoes. And this is one of those ones I never would have bought for sure, except for the idea that you could get an Air Jordan 11 model for retail easily, and their full size runs still in stock. If you guys want a pair, link in the description. But the fact that I could go ahead and create something of my own with it, it's like the first, same as the Yeezy 350 V2s in the cream colorway. It's the first time we've been able to have like a GR pair of Air Jordan 11. So this is a big move for Jordan Brand to be able to have one that's so crappy, I guess, that nobody wants. But I can try to customize this and make it something that I want. So that's what I plan on doing with that. And then the last thing to show you guys, I ended up getting part of this Gif Monday drop. I actually forgot 100% I got this until I got home. We have a floral hoodie that you can see here, the flowers, and this isn't embroidered. This is just painted on, it looks like. And then you have an interesting looking Gif logo across the chest, rubberized. That is the haul that I got. Some of it from Complexcon, and then some of it obviously not. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I didn't get anything too hyped up from Complexcon. I know a lot of people like go for all the limited sneakers or pay resale for all the limited sneakers, but it's not really my style. If I don't cop them, I'm not going to pay resale for them most of the time. So I just figured I'd just show you guys the merch haul that I ended up getting. But what sneakers do you guys think won Complexcon this year? It seems like the Canary Dunks were definitely the most sought after. Personally, I just want the black Dunks that are going to be releasing. It's the most GR of the three, the white, the black, and the Canaries. I just really want the black pair, though. I think it looks the freshest. Pharrell NMDs, Human Races, were definitely the talk of the town for a while as well. Both of those shoes, I think, did incredibly well. They had Vans and Converse and like all sorts of other things out there that ended up releasing. Honestly, was surprised we didn't see any mega drops from Nike. No Nike stash drops. No presence from really Nike in the building other than at some booths. Union Ones didn't end up dropping as well. So love going to Complexcon again this year. I'll probably try to get the pass to go again next year as well, just because it's so fun for myself to get out there and see people, meet other YouTubers and other people in the building, and just go and just kind of have fun shopping and stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good rest of the day, and we'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.